Here's how to create 1Password account. Let's get to it. So on 1Password.com, you're going to find this view all plans. Click on it. Then here you need to select password manager. Inside it, if you switch to monthly, even if you switch to annually, you'll see this try free for 14 days. You need to press on it. You can also press on one of these other ones. They all allow you to get the free trial for 14 days. Now you'll be taken over to this page over here. You can add this extension later, or you can just press on this add extension to do it. Let's press here to add extension, and it's going to take us over to the Chrome Web Store page. On it, I can press here to add to Chrome and add extension. It's added. Now on the top here, you'll see this extensions puzzle type icon. Press on it and make sure to pin this 1Password to our extensions tab like this. Just need to press here in order to do it. Now it's going to take us over to the create your account page. We need to type in our name and email address. Once you have filled in the fields, you'll find this get emails from 1Password. We don't need it. If you want, you can just select this and then you can unsubscribe from their emails at any time. But I'm not going to select that and press on next. Next up, it's going to ask you for 6-digit verification code on your email. So over here on my Gmail, I will find that they have sent me this email here with the verification code. So we can go inside it and we'll see this verification code here. I'm going to copy it, right click copy and right click paste, or you can Control C and Control V over here. If you did not get the code yet, you can press on send again in order to get it. If you still did not get it after all that, you should try checking it in spam. There may be an email there. Once done, press on next. And it's going to say that 1Password security is uniquely strong. Great. Password and security key work together to protect your data. All right. So we're going to set our account password. So it just puts this tick here, 10 or more characters. I've done that. Let's press on create account. Now it's going to give us our unique security key. It's generated on my device, okay? It's yours alone and never share it. All right, so we're going to press here, generate security key, and we're going to save this as a PDF file. This is a security key over here, and I've got my security key .pdf file. I'm going to open it up in Chrome. All right, this is your security key, and you can check it over here. Now let's go back to 1Password and press on next. Now you can add a payment method over here and then choose your country or region. Or you can also add a payment method later. It's a free trial for 7 days, so they'll remind you before that 7 days is over. So let's just press on this add a payment method later. Now it is going to welcome us. I'm going to press on continue. There will be a tutorial here, but we can skip continue. Continue setting up this, open 1Password. And it's going to open up this extension pop-up. We can also open web app. And there you go. Now you're in the dashboard of 1Password. You can move your passwords here, such as from Google Chrome or LastPass. Or you also got this vaults here. You can add a new one, or you can just go over here in your extension and add a new item as well. And that's it. That's how to create 1Password account. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more 1Password related guides and fixes. I'm also going to make a video on how to add a security key, a UBI key, and a lot more. So see you there. Bye for now.